Hello students, in the previous videos we are doing this feedback in amplifier chapter. So far we have understood there are two types of feedback, positive and negative, and in that we are studying negative feedback in detail because in the previous video we have seen what are all the advantages from negative feedback. We have also studied the table where you see the effect of or effects of negative feedback on various factors like voltage gain, input impedance and output impedance of a amplifier system. Okay, so now we will derive some expressions. Okay, we derive some expression. On that basis only we conclude that this is the impact of the negative feedback. Means what? How you can predict the voltage gain or input and output impedance variations. Okay, so only with the help of block diagram and derivations we conclude the effect of negative feedback. Okay, so now I have written this prerequisites or initial things. Okay, so see, this is what block diagram. This figure shows the block diagram of voltage series negative feedback. Okay, so where illenagate a part of output voltage is made to feedback in series with the input. Okay, feedback voltage in there, that is part of this output voltage. Okay, so with the help of this feedback network we take that portion and call it as feedback signal, and we provide it to the input section where that feedback signal will be in series with the input source. Okay, source ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. In the block diagram, Vs is voltage source, Vo is output voltage, Vi is net input to the basic amplifier, Vf is feedback voltage, beta is feedback factor. Okay, so we know these parameters. In the previous videos we have derived or we have defined these terms. Okay, so now we'll derive expression for voltage gain. Okay, this video is regarding deriving voltage gain expression. Okay, so we know that in open loop gain, in open loop system, okay, in open loop system, okay, gain, okay, open loop gain is A. So A is open loop gain. Okay, in open loop system we can say open loop gain is A is equal to ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, V naught by Vi. Okay, V naught by Vi. When it is only basic amplifier we say that one as open loop gain. So ಅದೇ ತರ in closed loop gain, in closed loop system gain is, okay, AF. We take AF, let us take AF. So AF is equal to output by input. Again, gain, output voltage by input voltage. Output voltage is V naught. In this system it is a closed loop system. Input is Vs. Okay, Vs. So this is second expression or equation. Okay, we know that here what is that? Beta, that is feedback factor. Feedback factor is beta, and beta is equal to what? Vf by V naught, output by input to the feedback circuit. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ in negative feedback system or feedback, okay, so we know this. What is that? Vi is equal to Vs minus Vf. Okay, is equal to Vs minus Vf can be written as beta into V naught. From equation 3, Vf is written as beta into V naught from equation 3. Okay, So then Vs minus beta V naught can be written as A into Vi. ಯಾಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಈಗ AF ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವಿ ನಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು, ಎ ಇಂಟು ವಿ ಐ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಐ ಲೆಟ್ us rewrite this one for Vs. Vs is equal to Vi, so it comes to LHS, that is Vi plus A beta into Vi. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ Vi is equal to ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, Vi, take it common out, 1 plus A beta. Okay, so let it be equation 4. Okay, so now substitute equation 4 in equation 2. Okay, equation 4 na equation 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ equation 2 implies ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so AF is equal to V naught by, in place of Vs let us write Vi into 1 plus A beta. Okay, this one. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ V naught by Vi ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಓಪನ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಗೆ A, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ A by 1 plus A beta. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ AF is equal to 1 plus A beta. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so we can conclude that with therefore with negative feedback, gain or voltage gain, see voltage gain decreases by a factor of 1 plus A beta. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ನು ಕೂಡ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗೇನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು, A ಇತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸೇ 100. AF is of course A by 1 plus A beta. ಅಂದ್ರೆ this factor is getting divided by some number which is more than 1. Okay, so obviously ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, AF will be less than A. Okay, AF will be less than A. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, with feedback gain of the amplifier decreases. With negative feedback, voltage series negative feedback, gain of the amplifier decreases. Okay, so this is a very important derivation asked for 3 marks. Okay, 3 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಇದನ್ನ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ.